Hello gamers! If you're facing issues with Marvel Rivals getting stuck on the loading screen on PC, there are several effective troubleshooting steps you can take. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Consider restarting your router or using a wired connection for better reliability. Next, close both the game and the Steam client completely, then restart them. Sometimes, simply waiting for 1015 minutes can resolve the issue. To check for corrupted files, right-click on Marvel Rivals in your Steam library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. You might also try adding -DX 12 in the Launch Options under the General tab to enable DirectX 12. Lowering graphics settings can help if your hardware is struggling to set options like graphics quality to low and disable VSync. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date using GeForce Experience or Adrenaline software. Clearing temporary files by typing %10% in the run dialog can also help. Additionally, disable overlays from applications like Steam and Discord and consider reinstalling the game if issues persist. If it's installed on an external drive, moving it to your main system drive may resolve loading problems. Finally, running the game as an administrator can help avoid permission-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the loading screen problem effectively. Hope you got value from this video.